Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. KIP Moore here with a song called Some Things. So, KIP Moore sings about some things that don't get old, like drinking beer, hanging with buddies, and ask for a dance, and so on. Yeah, so let's take a look at this song. It's very, very easy to play. Fits guitar very well. We have 3 chords that goes in the same way from the beginning till the very end. No need for any capo. Everything is just perfect. So let's take a look at the 3 chords. We have first the E. So that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be the A, the sus version of it, so that will be open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. And then we have the B sus, and we will have that with an open chord. So that means normally it's a bar chord there. We will not get with bar. We will have just the second A there, and then fourth D, fourth G, then open B and open E in the end there. So this open airy chord. So it goes like that: E, A sus, B sus, and we have this strumming pattern. It's a pretty long one, but pretty easy to get as well. So we're gonna look at that strumming now. So go back to the E chord. One strumming round will be like this. Alright, so it starts with down, down, up, down, down, up. Alright, so down, down, up, down, down, up. And then it continues with up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. So if we put that together, these both halves, so that will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. All right, so a couple rounds of this strumming will be. Alright, so you're just gonna play E, 2 string rounds, A, 1, and B, 1. And it goes like that from the beginning till the very end, like this for a couple rounds. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers KIP Moore's Some Things, and yeah, they don't get old. So I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, leave me a comment here on what you think about this tutorial, and if you really liked it, then hit the click button there, click the button on the like button, and yeah, perhaps subscribe to this channel if you wish. So thank you for watching, and play tuned.